Best focus settings for macro photography on Sony Alpha cameras. If you're using a Sony Alpha camera like the A7, A7 II, A7 III, A7 IV, or A7 V, macro photography requires precise focus to capture intricate details in close-up subjects like flowers, insects, or textures. This guide will help you configure the best focus settings for stunning macro shots. Step 1. Set the camera to manual focus. First, turn AF from the lens of your Sony camera. After that, press the menu button. Navigate to the focus mode AF1 setting page. Select focus mode. Scroll down. Select MS, manual focus, to gain complete control over focusing. Rotate the focus ring on your lens to fine-tune the focus for maximum sharpness. Step 2. Enable Focus Magnifier for precision. Press the menu button and go to the Focus Assist setting page section. Select Focus Magnifier to zoom in on your subject while adjusting focus manually. Rotate the focus ring slowly until the subject appears sharp in the magnified view. Step 3. Activate Focus Peaking for assistance. Go to the Focus Assist menu and enable Peaking Level. Choose a peaking color, for example red, yellow, or white, that contrasts well with your subject. The camera will highlight the edges of the in-focus areas, making it easy to identify sharp regions. Step 4. Optimize the focus area for macro photography. Tap FN button of your camera. In the Focus Area menu, choose Flexible Spots for precise control over the focus points. Select Small Flexible Spot to focus on the smallest details of your subjects. Step 5. Test autofocus for moving macro subjects. Press FN button. Tap F focus mode. If your subject is moving, example an insect, switch to AFC, continuous autofocus, in the focus mode menu. Pair it with zone or expand flexible spot in the focus area menu to track the subject effectively. By using these focus settings on your Sony Alpha camera, you can capture stunning macro photographs with incredible detail and sharpness. Let me know if you need further assistance or have additional questions.